teachers, my name is Eileen. I have a background in speech and language pathology, and I teach English online like many of you. Now, given my background and over the course of this teaching online experience, I have gathered a list of trends that I approach in a very specific way. I have tips and tricks and methods that I use to get these sounds targeted, corrected, and proper. And I thought this could be useful for you too. So today I'm going to talk about the TH sound. As it turns out, much like in the alphabet letters, we can sort them into either voiced or voiceless sounds. TH also presents both ways, voiced and voiceless. So I'm going to jump right into it. For example, this top set are voiceless TH sounds. What do I mean by that? As in the word with. If you hold your voice box, you'll notice the vibration ends right after the I, with. Now, what I want to focus on right now is the substitutions. I see the voiceless TH sound and these examples here being substituted with the F sound or the S sound. But most often I see it being substituted with F, as in, I play with my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, second, third, fourth. If I'm seeing this, I guarantee you are too. So let me talk to you about how I address the F substitution. Since F is produced with the lower lip, right, engaging the teeth, I remove the lower lip and I drill the word, teach the word, like this. With, 3, third, 13, teeth, tooth. So yes, I do that because I want them to see that the lower lip is not engaged at all. It does not belong in the TH sound, okay? That nearly always works. No joke, okay? So let's move on to the voiced TH sound, as in words the, this, and that. I see this sound being substituted all the time, mainly with the Z sound. The cat, the bird, this house, that friend, and so on. Sometimes I see it substituted with the L sound, la girl, lis boy, but most often I see it being substituted with the Z sound in error. So what do I do with that one? It's a little different because it's happening behind the teeth. The girl, it's a little hard to teach. I will tell you this though. Psst, guess what? Most students know how to say mother, father. And if they can target that production in the middle of this word, mother, father, make a big deal of that proper pronunciation, and then bring it into another word where it begins with the TH sound, like the, this, that. Try it. It works. Anyway, I hope this was useful. If you recognize that there are other trends out there, by all means, drop a line and let me know. And if you'd like to hear about how I would address other errors that you see frequently or errors that you don't see frequently, let me know. I'd be happy to pitch in. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and happy teaching. Bye.